everyone. So today we will be solving the day one of the March Leetcode challenge, which is to distribute candies. So let's go to the question first. So it says that Alice has n candies and the ith candy is of type candy type. So here if we check, uh, there is an array which is candy type array, which basically tells what is the type of the ith candy. So the doctor has advised Alice to only eat n by 2 of the candies. So let us say if Alice can eat n type of has n total candies, so she can eat only n by 2 out of them. So that is the part. Alice likes her candies very much and she wants to eat the maximum number of different types of candies. So given the integer array, return the maximum number of different types of candies that she can eat if she only eats n by 2 of them. So thinking about this question, if you see, there are n number of candies which is given to us, and out of this candies, Alice can eat only n by 2. So that means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 candies. So Alice can at max eat 3 of them. We need to check it that every time Alice should eat the maximum different types of candies. So here if you check, the Alice can eat 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 different types of candies and that is how the answer would be 3. Let us check this particular question, this particular test case, wherein Alice has candy 1 twice, 2, 1 and 3. So there are basically 3 different types of candies, but Alice can only eat n by 2, that is only 2 candies. So if we check the worst case, there are even if there are 3 different kinds of candies, Alice can only eat maximum at max 2 candies, right? So that is it can eat either 1 or 2, either 2 or 3, or either 1 and 3. So we need to tell what is the maximum number of candies that Alice can eat. Talking about the third type, the third type says that Alice has only one type of candies, right? And Alice at max can eat 2 candies because there are 4 candies and n by 2 is 2, that is 4 by 2 is 2. So if you check here, so there is only one type of candy which is there, and at max Alice can eat 2 candies. But since there is only one type of candy, so the answer is 1 over here. So I think pretty much now I would suggest you guys to pause the video and try this question of yours. So maybe you can check the solution now. The solution is pretty straightforward as we know there are different types of candies, right? So we will find all the unique candy types. So the unique candy types are 1, 2, 3. So therefore the size would be 3 in this case, right? And also what are the total number of candies allowed? So the total number of candies allowed is 6 by 2, that is again 3. So whatever is minimum, we will return that answer. So we return minimum of size comma n by 2. So in order to find the unique type of candies, what would be the best way to find unique entries? So I think the best way would be using a hash set, right? So hash set. So first, what we would do is that we would add all these elements into the hash set, and then the size can be found from the hash set. We also know the total number of candies allowed, that is n by 2, and accordingly, whichever is minimum, we can return that. So I think you are able to understand the solution. So let's go back to the code here. Yeah. So here first I have taken the different types of the total number of candies. Then I have created a hash set and I'm passing all the elements into the hash set. So hash set will only contain all the unique elements at the end. So after that, whatever is minimum, either n by 2 could be minimum or this can be minimum. The minimum of any of them would be our resultant answer. So it is also accepted. Talking about the time complexity would be big O of n because we would in worst case have to traverse this candy type array once. And also as we have taken a hash set, the space complexity would also be big O of n in worst case. So yeah, time complexity would be big O of n and same is the space complexity as well. So yeah, I think that was pretty much about this question. If you have any doubts or anything, please post it in the comment section. And thank you so much for your time. Thanks.